Okay, here we are at 13 Oak Forest. We have a modern home, easy maintenance front yard. Here we got the entry with our Ring doorbell. To the left, we walk into the kitchen, little breakfast nook, pantry, larger pantry, granite countertops, wolf stove, 6 burners, sub-zero fridge, freezer below, built-in Panasonic microwave, stainless steel sink undermount, accent lighting, skylight. To the left, we have a garage, 2-car garage, water heater, modern heating system, living room area, or could be used as dining room. Large sunken in living room, oversized fireplace, gas, high vaulted ceilings. Going back to the entry, nice raised ceilings. Bedroom number 1, used as an office. Average size closet. This is actually a hideaway bed and desk set, staying with the property built in. Half bath with a skylight. Going down the hallway, we have the laundry, LG, front load, linen closet, average size bedroom, closet, common bathroom, Carrera tile, 12 by 24 tile work, subway tile, primary bedroom, no longer called master, crown molding, gas fireplace, nice patio door with a hot tub with a deck, primary bathroom, dual shower, dual sinks, large walk-in closet, separate toilet room, I'm gonna go out on the deck now. large deck, large private backyard. Goes all the way up the hill. There's a path to go to the top of the hill. Outdoor dining. Outdoor kitchen. Built-in barbecue. Sink. Egg cooker. Green egg. Going down the stairs now. Seasonal creek running through the middle of the backyard. Game room slash entertainment room with a kitchen. Built-in garden area. Very nice, very nice. Hope you enjoyed the show.